Hi guys, it's me, Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and today we have a special package here, the Oppo Reno 8 Gundam edition. Okay, so in Chinese it's the special edition, okay, premium, special, whatever you call this. This is a very limited edition of the Oppo Reno 8. So you can see the color of Gundam here. If you're a fan, you know these colors. Really nice. Really premium. Okay, so Snapdragon 855 processor, and my god, this is one official release collaboration of Gundam and Oppo to give you this really special looking phone. So without further ado, let's open this box. Okay, we can see the box. You can see that there are red and blue and white box, typical Mobile Suit Gundam color. The white is very premium. The box looks a lot premium compared to the other special edition box that I have ever unboxed. You can see it's the 40th anniversary of Gundam. So it's 1979. It's already 2019. So yeah, it's 40 years. The box is looking so good. Okay, so yeah, I'm really quite excited to open it. You can see that we have the user manual and the warranty card here. You can see the blue is Gundam blue, and my god, look, the phone is really awesome. You can see the Gundanium alloy color. You can see the red here. Okay, Gundam RK7G-2. Oh, RX7G-2. You can see the logo here. The edges, very Gundam color. Okay, so EFSF, it's the Earth Federation Space Force. Quad camera, the blue edges and the red edges. Down here we have the loudspeaker, USB Type-C, mic in and audio jack. On the other side we have the power button and of course the SIM tray. We have the noise cancellation mic, and on the other side we have the volume rocker. Here up front we have the teardrop notch camera. Oh my, this is more epic. The case, look at it. This is a must-have for every collector out there. My god, even the cable, Gundam color. It's really one for the keeps. Okay, if you're really a collector, this is really something that you might want to have. The color, Super VOC, Super VOOC charge. And yeah, let's take a quick tour. You can see the wallpaper is also Gundam. The icons. Okay, very refreshing Gundam design. Let's take a quick tour. Okay, so see what points the there you go. So it garnered 411,000 points for the Snapdragon 855 Plus. Let's see what configuration it has, and it has the Snapdragon 855 Plus Adreno 640 1080p. Camera is 48 MP plus 30 plus 8 plus 2. We have LPDDR4X. RAM is 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage. Okay, so 60 Hz refresh rate. Pixel density is 401. Front shooter is 16 MP, 4000 mAh of battery. Android 9, supports NFC, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, So those and the display size, screen size is 6.5 inches. Pretty impressive. We took some quick shots using this awesome phone. Yes, take a look at the photos. Look at it. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, the camera is nice. The rendering, even the front camera is very natural. You can see, I can really say that it's really, and this is the macro lens. There you go. Ooh. Okay, so this one is a pretty limited edition of the Oppo Reno Ace, which is the Gundam edition. So if you really want this one, if you're an Oppo user and of course an die-hard Gundam fans, I really suggest that you grab yourself one of these. It's really one for the keeps. Even if you already don't want to use this phone, you can still keep it since it's a Gundam collector's edition phone. Okay, so this is one good collaboration between the Oppo and Gundam, celebrating their 40th year in the industry, and I plan really to have something like this for the kids. Okay, so and that's it for the Oppo Reno Ace Gundam edition, and I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick. Do drop me that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of this special type of unboxing. So with that said and done, I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.